Well, hello, dear students. Now you'll be watching a snippet from my class as to how we use PYQs to spot the golden sentence given by UPSC in the CSAT passages, and how we use these golden sentences to answer with more accuracy and confidence. Neha, please read this.
The key tone that seems to be emerging from the passage is that we should first consult wisely and then resolve firmly. We should reject suggestions of friends and remain unchanged. We should always remain broad minded. We should be resolute and achievement oriented.
Okay. Tell me, who among you are confused between A and D?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We are
Yes, sir. Confused between A and B.
A
Yes,
and
sir.
D. I believe I can read
Yes,
your
sir.
minds. I can read your minds well, guys. ठीक है. You're confused between A and D.
Yes,
B
sir.
and C. B and C.
At extreme.
Extreme.
Because Uncle Jolly follows middle path. He doesn't like generalization. Option B. We should reject suggestions of friends. We should always remain broad-minded. Fine. Between option A and D. Now let's jump to the passage. Remember the second layer of solving passages that we learned. Second step. This is the passage. Read the last sentence of the passage. Read. Now tell me which seems to be the correct answer.
option A, sir.
Sir, option A.
Option A, correct?
Yes.
Because that is something strongly visible in the last line of the passage. Uncle Jolly has kept the key to the answer in the last line of the passage. Remember? Right?
Yes, sir.
So, any doubt here?
No,
All
sir.
clear?
No.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Quickly moving to the next one. Pradeep, please read it out.
Which among the following is the most crucial message conveyed by the above passage? Climate change has caused Arctic summer to be a short but temperature to be high. Polar bear can be shifted to the South Pole to ensure their survival. Without the presence of the polar bears, the food chain in the Arctic region will disappear. Climate change poses a threat to the survival of the polar bears.
Okay, again tell me, guys, who among you are confused between A and D?
Yes, sir.
Confused between A and D. Okay, see, option B, we know that he's a reasonable person. Shifting of polar bears, does it make sense
No.
as per
No,
the
sir.
person of Uncle Jolly?
No, sir.
Pradeep, doesn't.
No, sir.
ठीक है. Option C, we have learned that he doesn't
sir.
like extreme opinions.
Yes,
Or
sir.
he
It's
doesn't like
look like an
extremities.
extreme.
Without the presence of polar bears, the food
Yes.
chains in the Arctic will
Polar.
disappear.
Disappear.
Still there might
Yes,
be
sir.
some
It will
confusion.
affect but not disappear.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still there is no clarity over the answer. Quickly read the last
Yes,
line
sir.
of this passage in your mind. Done. Now tell me which seems to be the
Yes, sir.
correct answer.
D.
Sir, D.
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 Everyone is quite clear now. D has
Yes,
to be the
sir.
correct answer, right? So fill the form given in the description box below to join my Telegram group. And from my Telegram group, you can access this CSAT workshop and the Dominate Prelims workshop for paper 1. Again, where we are doing PYQ analysis in a very methodical manner and in a way predicting questions for the upcoming 2023 prelims.